So we're in just like that at that 45-degree angle. We're going to come straight up. We're going to slowly drop in, get a little more depth here. We're going to back out, and then we're going to set our tension by dropping our butt and pulling our lats. And as that goes through, go ahead. Go nice and slow, and this is going to be bad on anybody that has a neck problem. And remember, we go up on our toes, and that's what allows us to get our depth. I'll get a little extra push with this other arm in there like that. I'm going to back out a little bit, and then my tension is going to be a pull back with my lats, and my butt is going to drop, just like we practice every day. Once that's loaded, the client goes through that motion, and I'm not sliding, I'm letting it come to me.